Yeah, so today I'm pretty fucking livid. Everything seems to be going to hell in a handbasket. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Yeah, well, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. Gotta go write some checks. Ow. And go the fuck home. It's a Friday. I ain't putting up with this shit. My gas tank's leaking. Haven't ridden this bike in 2 months since I crashed it. It's killing me. Killing me. How do I turn this thing on? There's no key. Okay, kill switch, kill switch, kill switch. Oh yeah, broke the fan. Fan doesn't work. Good thing it's only gonna be about 85 today. Okay, that works. Let's go. Oh, truck. Truck. Traffic. Oh, I hate this. I'm gonna turn right here. Because why not? Oh, this second. Clutch grabs ever since I rebuilt it. Please turn it. This bike's a fucking firecracker. Okay, settle down. We're home. Big bump. A lot of rocks in here. I don't know why I came through here. Just looking at all my shit. So yeah, yeah, I gotta do that. I gotta do that. I gotta do this. Check that out, huh? Fuck those up. Those are about 600 bucks. Did a number on this one here too, but I bent it back. A little bit of heat discolored the aluminum. That's all right. I'll throw up some pictures of that if I can find it. That's not too good, huh? A little loose. Destroyed that crush washer. And boy, she smells like gas. She's running rich. Rich, rich, rich. Got a fuel leak here. Yeah, just dripping down on my injectors. Okay. Switch doesn't work. Both times I've crashed this thing have been very low speed. About 5 miles an hour, I laid it over on some goddamn gravel. Well, gravel twice already, actually. One time up in Mariposa and one time here in town. I was about 2 minutes from my house and fucking just had to lay her down. Goddamn clippings. Muffed this up. Had to cut it because the fan was stuck on. But I've rebuilt the whole engine. She runs nice. I just gotta start cutting shit off of this thing, make it look nicer. Get rid of this whole, I don't know what you call this whole subframe here in the back. I got all the parts to extend it off of here, like that. And then have a, I don't know what you call it, like a cantilever type of shock setup. Probably not, but whatever. Where the shock lays horizontal. I'm sure you guys have probably seen that. Yeah, BMW K75, 1995. It's got a 94 stamp on the engine block. I was born in 94, so that's kind of cool. This bike is 2 months older than I am. 1194. Wait, no, I suck at math. 4 months younger than I am. Whoopsie, sorry, didn't go to college. I'm stupid. Anywho, I gotta get back to work. Peace.